Hi, this is Cecilia with Keller Williams. Today I'm very excited to give you a first look at my beautiful house with a pool. Let's go take a look. It is indeed very cool and move-in ready. The seller has spent over $100,000 on the beautiful improvement and upgrades. You can see they have this beautifully painted brick that's white and very modern look. This is your view when you enter from the front. We have beautiful new flooring. This part is actually the only original flooring. It's beautiful. We have crown molding, beautiful chandeliers. All the lighting fixtures are new. As we can see, new floors throughout. This stone fireplace really add character to the house. We have decorated beams. I love also the great floor plan that provide functionality, entertainment, as well as privacy. We have 3 bedrooms on this side, including the primary bedroom. We have guest bedroom number 1 with beautiful arch windows. This is the primary, we'll take a look later. This is the second guest bedroom, also with the beautiful window. Shared dual sink, full bath, totally updated as well. Freshly painted throughout. Let's take a look at the primary bedroom. Very spacious with beautiful crown molding. Very modern look. And I love the fact it opened to a covered built-in sunroom. You can just watch your children play when you're relaxing in your master bedroom. And then we have the primary bath suite. Have his and her closet. This is a great weather for pool. We have covered patio where you can relax, have a few drinks with friends and chat while you watch your kids or other friends play in the pool, surrounded by fence and privacy of the shaded trees. We still have a very good size side yard on this side. In addition to the other side, we just see